Welcome back, everybody, to another video. My voice is messed up. I've been sick forever. Anyways, we're gonna get into this. No big deal. We got some new shiny tail lights. Do you guys have damage on your tail lights? Scratches, dents? Is it broken from some hit and run idiot? Well, hopefully this video helps you swap them out and get some that look pretty decent. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you through. We're gonna take a peek at the parts. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step, so you don't have to pay nobody. And you can just do this yourself. Right here is a set. You got a 25 and a 26, so you're gonna have a left and a right. It's a KARPAL tail lamp, 1KPCH 1903-031, and then 032. There's a couple different part numbers. I'm not sure why. So I'm assuming the real part number is 1KPCH 1903-031, and then 032. Inside, they give you a bulb with a connector. They give you a housing that has this connector and bulb installed already. So you get brand new bulbs and brand new connectors. Step one, pop your trunk. Pop your trunk. We have a Phillips here and a Phillips here, where this sort of goes like this. We have different years, might have a different type fastener. So if you have a bolt, whatever, but it's going to be this one here and this one here. So let me grab a Phillips and remove these two screws. La 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 la. Alright, take these screws out here. If yours are rusty, you can go to Ace Hardware, pick up some new ones. Now to unclip it, we have a spot here and a spot here. That has the little plastic push clips, and that is going to be right here and right here. So you need a plastic tool, because you don't want to mess the paint up. Don't use a metal tool. And then we're going to pry and pop those plastic clips out, because this side of the light's already all loose, so we have to do this side. You want to pull this red piece away like that. That's unlocked. Then you just squeeze the black piece, wiggle. On the bottom there's no safety clip. You just squeeze and wiggle it off. And it comes off, and now the whole taillight assembly is off. That's a quick comparison. The instant thing I can see is, besides them both being dirty a little bit, is that this is a darker red. This is much brighter of a red. But that could just be because it's brand new plastic, so it hasn't faded at all. But other than that, the design, the lines, everything about it seems to be identical. We need to transfer over these push pins here, this one and this one, in order to be able to pop in the new one, because the new one didn't come with it. If you look at the new one, it has the slots, but it doesn't have the push pins. It did come with these for the screws, which is good. I wish it would have came with these push pins too, because what if they're broken, right? So anyways, we're gonna swap those over from that light to this light. And you just grab it, slide it out like that, and then when you grab the new one, you just slide it in like that. Slide it in. This one's a little loose, but it'll work. We open up this baggie that has the light and connector units. This is pretty easy to put in. All you're gonna do is come over here, find the spot where it drops in, like that. Just drop it in. It'll only do it in one spot, like that, and then give it a quarter turn. Now it's locked in. First things we need to do, plug back in the connectors, which should just slide in, and you push until you hear a clip. On the black one, you push it in, and then you slide that little red lock forward. And we're going to line up the pegs first, and then give it a push. So you give it a little tap, that locks them in. After those plastic clips are locked in, you're gonna start this a couple threads, and then grab the next one, start that one a couple threads. We have them both started. Now you're gonna grab the outside here. You're just gonna push in towards the vehicle and finish tightening the screws down. That one. And the bottom. And don't go crazy on the torque. Just give it a little snug with one hand, and that's all there is to it. The steps on the other side, identical to this side, so I'm not going to go through and show you everything all over again because it's the same exact thing. So now you can make an educated decision on your own and decide whether or not you want to buy these for your vehicle. Hopefully this video helped you save some money. Do this stuff yourself. It's really not that hard. Those clips, if you have to buy those clips, someplace like Ace Hardware probably has them. That's where I buy a lot of my clips. AutoZone has clip kits that have a bunch for Dodge, Fords, like it'll be a kit for that brand. And of course, Amazon has a crap ton. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. I got videos usually coming once a week, and I put little shorts here and there whenever I can. So I hope to see you subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.